You're watching how to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. The easiest method is using iCloud on your old iPhone. Ensure it is connected to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then select iCloud. Find contacts in the list and ensure the toggle is switched on green. Tap Merge if prompted to upload your contacts to iCloud. Now take your new iPhone and turn it on. Follow the setup prompts until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with the same Apple ID used on your old iPhone. Choose the most recent backup, which includes your contacts. Complete the setup. Your contacts will transfer as part of the restore. If you only want contacts and not a full restore, set up the new iPhone as new. When prompted, sign in with the same Apple ID. After setup, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, and toggle on Contacts. Your contacts will sync from iCloud for a direct transfer without iCloud use. The Quick Start feature, place the new iPhone near the old one. An animation will appear. Use your old iPhone to scan it. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up and choose Transfer from iPhone to wirelessly migrate all data, including contacts. Alternatively, use a third-party app or export contacts as a vCard file via iCloud.com and import it on the new device. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.